Quantum computing poses a threat to international security, and it is something the Alliance has to take very, very seriously.
Quantum uses the unusual behavior of atoms and subatomic particles to build more precise sensors, faster computing, and safer communications. The NATO Science and Technology Organization recognizes quantum as a critical, emerging, and disruptive technology. It's bringing together scientists from across the Alliance to study the three main applications: quantum sensing and navigation, quantum communications and cryptography, quantum computing and algorithms. In the maritime domain, the potential of quantum technologies to transform navigation, communication, and situational awareness is profound. At the NATO Center for Maritime Research and Experimentation, a new frontier is being explored, where photons replace cables, quantum states replace classical algorithms, and the ocean becomes not just a theater of operations, but a laboratory for some of the most advanced sensing technologies in development today.
Quantum technology can achieve better performance in many applications. For instance, we can see that in maritime navigation, quantum sensors can work where classical sensors are limited due to noise and stability. So they can open up new applications that were not possible before.
In terms of high secure communications, this is the backbone, for instance, joint operations, strategic decision making, in the sense that you can use quantum networks not only to interconnect different command centers, satellites, intelligence systems, and allied forces in different scenarios, but also support distributing sensing and computing applications, allowing a faster and a safer architecture among these allied forces in the field.
It is extremely important for the Alliance to understand that quantum computing poses a threat to secure communication. Quantum computers, once they are fully developed, will enable adversaries to break the current encoding schemes that are being used all the way throughout the Alliance. There are already now known methods for how to mitigate this. This is, of course, post-quantum cryptography, and it is highly advised for the Alliance to understand this and to deploy post-quantum cryptography throughout the Alliance.
As NATO faces increasingly complex threats across multiple domains, quantum technologies represent both a strategic imperative and a remarkable opportunity. But it's a race against time, as not having the edge on such advanced technology could pose a real threat to the Alliance.